So the CRM module is kind of laid out just a bit differently from the Infinity system. The buttons and different viewing options that were down in the far lower left of the CRM module are now right up top for you, allowing you to change very quickly between your different contact lists like hot contacts, new contacts, people that you need to contact, and category contacts right from here. Also, something new is the ability to export these lists to Excel if needed. A couple other things have changed in the system, and you'll notice the very top section is very different. So you have your little house button in the upper left. This will open up your home screen. So if you needed to go ahead and open up a different module very quickly and easily, you can. Another thing up at the top is your search. You can go ahead and type in a search and hit enter. This is going to go ahead and give you results with this criteria, whatever you typed in. Is it in a company name? Is it part of an email address? Is it in a last name? And so, for instance, Smith as the last name. I can then go ahead and narrow things down further. So I can, if I'm looking for a specific person with the last name Smith, I can go to my column settings and filter from there. So I can say I'm looking for somebody whose name has J-O in their first name and their last name includes Smith. So just nice, fast, easy way to go ahead and search right from there. And we'll talk a little bit more about these different options in here, because in addition to the filter, we actually have some other really neat features in here. So for most of the lists in the system, you can do this. You can click the ellipsis button in the column header, hover over columns, and then choose the columns that you wish to see. Now, this is for yourself, and it is for just this one table. So, for instance, I don't have my entity ID showing, but I have my entity number. Maybe I want to include their address. I can just check the box, and it shows up. Again, I can uncheck it, and it disappears. So you can kind of customize the look of the tables for yourself. Now, once you've customized that, you can hit Save Layout, and it will update the layout again just for yourself. But the search results given here, you can double click over a row to open up that customer record. Okay. And be able to open that customer record again very easily from just doing a quick search. We still have the advanced search. Now, the advanced search, again, super useful. You can search by entity information. You can just look at companies, just look at suppliers, etc. That's all the same from Infinity. You can search by primary salesperson, units they currently own. So this is actually kind of nice, because if you have a VIN for a unit that is already owned, you can put that VIN in and find the owner. If you're looking for people who have a specific make and model, you can put that information in and be able to pull up the people who currently own that make and model. And of course, you can go ahead and search by the units they're interested in purchasing. So this is super useful if maybe you have one thing in or one unit in and you get in the same unit as a used unit. You want to reach out to the customers that were interested in the first one. You can reach back out to them very quickly by finding them in this list. We do still have the customized options here. And sorry, while we are in my training database, we got some weird things going on in here, but we do have custom fields still accessible in here for searching as well. Now, just like in the Infinity system, once you've done a search, you can pull up those search results very quickly by clicking on the results history and being able to kind of go through the list of results. And that way, if you've got to reach out to multiple people that meet your search criteria, very quick and easy to go ahead and flip from one person to the next.